Welcome to this screencast, which is a teaser for my latest hobby project. It's not quite finished, but it is worth showing off at this point. I call it Link's Desktop, which is a poor name, so it'll likely change in the future. Here we have 4 icons. Top left one is a link to Google. If I was to click this, it would take me to Google, as you can see from the tooltip there. Because it is a search page, we have a little search box there where I can type in a search term of some kind, hit return. That would also take me to Google, but it would go straight to the search. Below that, got a link to Gmail. The other 2 icons aren't direct links, they actually contain other links. So if I hover over entertainment, you'll see 6 icons pop out of it. These are entertainment links, so this one goes to the Flickr webpage, XKCD, YouTube, Reddit, etc. The link below that contains programming links. Here we have one for Python, Django project, and active state. So how did I create this page? Well, I'll show you from scratch how it's done through the edit page. Here we have all the icons in the previous page, but now I can move them about and do various things to them. I'm going to delete all these by selecting all of them. A load of buttons have popped up which apply to selected icons. I'm just going to delete everything for now and come back and explain those other buttons later. There, we've deleted all those icons. Now we're left with a new icon button and an undo button, which brings back the previous icons I deleted. That's a redo, so there, we're back to blank slate. If I click the new icon button, up pops a very simple dialog. And if I start typing here, it will autocomplete. So if I hit F, you'll see there's a bunch of sites that have come up that begin with F or contain F. They actually come from a list of top 1,000,000 websites from alexa.com. So the most popular website beginning with F is Facebook, as you can see. I can move down and up through the sites, hit return to add it to my list. I'll do the same for just some other random sites, just so we can have something to play with. I'll also add my blog, which isn't actually in the top 1,000,000 websites, maybe one day, and hit the little tick there to add them to desktop. So here we have 5 icons in the desktop. They're all selected, and when you have multiple icons selected, it means you can drag them as a group, like this. These little green tabs you can use to stretch the space between the icons. So if I click and drag, see I can adjust it, make it wider, and the other tabs operate in the same way. These little arrows used to adjust the size of the icon, so I can make it bigger or smaller. I'll do the same for each of the icons, just to make it clear on the screen. These buttons which are raised apply to the selected icons. I'll show you these first. This one ranges the icons horizontally, as you can see. This one vertically. This one arranges them into a circle, which you probably already guessed. And this button will arrange them into a best fit grid, thusly. If I select just one of these icons, just by unselecting all of them, and then clicking on the one I want to select, you'll see some other buttons have popped up. This is what we're interested in. This is the edit icon button, which opens up the edit icon dialog. Here we can adjust the name of it, the URL. We can add a search URL if we wanted to search MySpace. This tab is the Notes tab. I can add freeform text there, and that's displayed in the tooltip. The icon tab shows various other visuals we can use for the icon. These are actually taken from Crystal Project Icons, which is a beautiful set of icons available on the GPL. You see, you can change the icon pack here and take my pick of various icons. Just find an interesting one. There we go, that looks pretty. I'll select that, click tick, and we've changed the icon. Another button that I haven't explained is this button. It says new stack because originally it was a stack in a visual sense, icons on top of each other, but I changed the concept to more like a box. So if I click this, you'll see that all the icons get sucked into this little box, which I can expand by double clicking on it or clicking on this icon, and you'll see the back. I can put them back in by again selecting the icon, choosing this icon, which is reverse, and they're back in again. And I think that's it for the basic features. I'm still a few weeks away from being able to put it online, but I am looking for beta testers, so if you're interested in playing with this before anyone else does, then it'd be really great if you can get in touch. Or if you'd just like to leave a comment or a suggestion, then you can do that through my blog, that'd be great. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.